Almost all U.S. states and many countries require a rear license plate for vehicles. For your Tesla Model Y, this video guides you through proper installation using the bracket, screws, and ensuring correct alignment. Learn why following the correct procedure is essential for legal compliance, avoiding sensor interference, and maintaining your vehicle's aesthetics. The Tesla Model Y ships with a bracket, but it is up to the owner to attach the physical plate themselves in plate-required states. This is a simple do-it-yourself project. Tesla provides a specific bracket designed to fit the Model Y's rear fascia. It's typically made of lightweight aluminum or plastic with pre-drilled holes. Key consideration: ensure the bracket doesn't obstruct radar, ultrasonic sensors, or the rear-view camera, positioned about 6 to 8 inches above the bracket. Using the Tesla supplied bracket ensures proper fit and reduces the chance of issues. Aftermarket brackets exist, but Tesla warns against them due to fitment risks and potential warranty implications. Use Tesla-specific M6x16mm panhead screws for the rear license plate installation. These screws are designed specifically for the Model Y and ensure a proper fit. These screws are made of stainless steel, which provides excellent resistance to corrosion from road salt and the vibrations common in electric vehicles. The correct torque setting is crucial for these screws. Use 5 to 7 feet-pounds to prevent over-tightening, which could crack the vehicle's fascia. Avoid using generic screws, as they may not match Tesla's metric standards and could cause damage or improper fit. Tesla provides these screws in the owner's manual kit, or they are available through Tesla service for a small fee. Carefully position the bracket on the rear fascia, aligning it with the pre-existing mounting points. If pilot holes aren't present, use a drill to create them, taking extreme caution not to damage any sensors or wiring. Secure the bracket with the M6 16mm screws, applying the correct torque. Double-check that the bracket is firmly attached and doesn't wobble. Place the license plate onto the mounted bracket, ensuring it aligns with the pre-drilled holes for a secure fit. Use appropriate screws, often shorter than the bracket mounting screws, to secure the plate to the bracket. Tesla recommends M6x16mm panhead screws in stainless steel. Ensure the screws are tightened adequately to prevent rattling, but avoid over-tightening, which could damage the plate or bracket. Use a torque setting of 5 to 7 feet-pounds for proper security. Common installation mistakes include using the wrong type of screws, over-tightening, which can damage the fascia, and misalignment that affects both appearance and functionality. For sensor malfunctions after installation, always recheck the bracket and plate alignment first. If problems continue, contact Tesla service for professional assistance. Finally, remember to double-check your installation by researching your specific car model to avoid any hidden issues. Looking ahead, the future may bring digital license plates, already in pilot programs in states like California and Texas. These electronic displays could potentially eliminate the need for physical plates altogether. Customization remains a strong trend, with aftermarket brackets offering features like illumination and unique designs. However, it's crucial to prioritize sensor compatibility when selecting these options to avoid interfering with your vehicle's systems. By 2030, autonomous vehicles may eliminate physical plates altogether, with Tesla's full self-driving software potentially integrating virtual identification systems. Always check your local laws as they evolve to ensure compliance with current regulations.